guys, welcome back to our channel. I would like to know if y'all would like these type of videos from me. If not, that's fine. Just let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see from us. So right here, guys, I'm just warming my legs up more. I'm just gonna get on the treadmill so that when I get ready to do the squats, my muscles in my legs can be prepared. So here I am now doing some squats with the bar just for extra support. And I think I'm gonna let you guys just watch the workouts throughout the whole video, and then I will be back at the end of the video. you guys for watching. If you like to see any more videos like this, just let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe.